Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're diving into a paper that introduces a clever way to get complex AI to give us the exact kind of answers we're looking for. You've probably heard of vision language models, or VLMs, which are AIs that can understand both images and text. They can describe a photo, answer questions about it, and so much more. But getting them to adopt a specific tone, style, or perspective can be surprisingly difficult. Often, just tweaking the text prompt isn't enough to get the nuanced result you want. To solve this, researchers from Virginia Tech developed something called SteerVLM. Think of it not as a new set of instructions, but as a tiny co-pilot that sits inside the AI's brain while it works. This co-pilot's job is to subtly steer the AI's thought process in real time. It does this by learning from pairs of opposing ideas, which the paper calls target and converse prompts. For example, it might learn to steer towards the idea that volunteering is fulfilling and away from volunteering is an obligation. Instead of just looking at the input, SteerVLM modifies the AI's internal activations as it generates a response. It's a very lightweight module, adding only about 0.14% to the original model size. This means it's incredibly efficient and doesn't require retraining the entire massive AI, which saves a ton of time and resources. To properly train and test their system, the researchers also had to create a brand new dataset called VLMs. This is the first dataset of its kind, full of images and text specifically designed to evaluate these kinds of AI steering techniques. So, how well did it work? The results show that SteerVLM significantly outperforms existing methods on a variety of tasks. In one key test, it was much better at steering the AI to adopt a specific topic or theme in its response. It also proved very effective at a critical real-world problem, reducing AI hallucinations. That's when an AI confidently states things about an image that simply aren't true. SteerVLM made the AI more truthful and grounded in reality, as shown in these tables. Here you can see a great example of it in action. Without steering, the AI gives a generic description of a Ferris wheel. But with SteerVLM steering it towards the idea that bright colors are energizing, the description becomes much more vivid and poetic, talking about a kaleidoscope of colors and an uplifting melody. So, let's recap the important points. SteerVLM is a small, efficient module that acts like a co-pilot for vision language models. It steers the AI's internal thought process to better align the output with a user's desired intent, without needing to retrain the model. This leads to more robust control and helps reduce common AI errors like making things up. What could this mean for the future? This technology could lead to AI assistants that are far more reliable and controllable. Imagine AIs that can generate marketing copy that perfectly matches a brand's voice, or medical AIs that describe scans with a focus on cautious, evidence-based language. It's a big step towards making AI not just powerful, but also better at understanding and following our nuanced intentions. That's all for today on Summarize Science. Thanks for watching.